Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Sue here from 1A Auto, and we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop. It's got a 1.6 liter. I just want to show you where the dipstick is located, how to check your oil, and how to fill the oil if you need to. So overall, the engine compartment, once the hood's open, you have the front of the engine here. This is the intake, and this is the radiator underneath this support. And right here, painted yellow, is a plastic handle, and that is the engine oil. Lift that right up. Take a rag and we'll clean it first. Make sure your car is off, not running, and you will see two indents, one there and one there. The highest one is considered full level, and that is below. This is low. In between is safe zone. So if your oil is in between, let it be. Let's check out the level. Engine off, pull the dipstick, clean it, then reinsert it. All the way down, pull it out, and see our oil level is right there in the safe zone. Perfect. Now if I was to add oil, or needed to add oil, I would go to the valve cover area, which is this right here, and here's our oil fill cap. Turn it counterclockwise to pull it off, lift it up, and you can see the actual indicator of an oil can. And this is the type of oil weight this car takes from the manufacturer. SAE 5W20. Now, if your cap doesn't say that on that, you can always check your manual. You should have it on there. And you would add your oil right through there, whether you need a funnel or you can add it from the port. Make sure you always put the cover back on. Lock it down tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.